Welcome to Cultural Global Travel, where we explore the world's most fascinating cruise destinations through the lens of history, culture, and unforgettable stories. Now, for our video, The Ultimate Guide to First Time Cruising, Cultural Edition. Your first cruise can be exciting, overwhelming, and life changing if you choose the right one. But what if your cruise could be more than sunbathing and buffets? What if every port told a story? This is your ultimate guide to first time cruising with a cultural twist. I'll show you how to choose a cruise that immerses you in history, culture, and unforgettable destinations. Step 1. Choosing the right cruise line. Not all cruise lines are the same. Some focus on entertainment, others on relaxation. But for culture and history lovers, you want a cruise line that's all about destination immersion. Smaller ships, longer port stays, and enrichment programs make all the difference. Look at lines like Viking, Azamara, Oceania, and Holland America, all known for their cultural itineraries, onboard lectures, and unique shore excursions. Step 2. Picking the perfect itinerary. For your first cruise, choose a route rich in history and culture. The Mediterranean is perfect for ancient sites and charming old towns. The Baltic takes you to medieval capitals. The British Isles are full of castles, cathedrals, and maritime heritage. Japan and Southeast Asia blend ancient traditions with bustling modern cities. Avoid itineraries heavy on sea days if you're eager to explore. Instead, aim for a cruise that visits a new port almost every day. Step 3. Planning your time. Ashore, your time in port is precious. Do your research before you sail, learn what each destination is known for, and prioritize cultural and historical experiences. You can book a shore excursion with the cruise line for convenience, or explore independently for flexibility. Either way, think beyond the main square. Visit a local market, take a cooking class, or join a guided walk through historic streets. Those moments will stick with you long after the cruise is over. Step 4. Packing for a cultural cruise. Exploring historic towns means a lot of walking, sometimes over cobblestones or up steep hills. Bring comfortable walking shoes, a light backpack, and sun protection. If you're visiting religious sites, pack modest clothing to cover your shoulders and knees. A portable charger, offline maps, and a translation app will make navigating new cities much easier. Step 5. Onboard. Tips for cultural cruisers. Don't just use your ship for dining and sleeping. Take advantage of its cultural offerings. Many lines host lectures by historians or local experts. Attend these, and you'll step ashore with a richer understanding of each destination. Visit the onboard library for guidebooks or enjoy performances that reflect the regions you're sailing through. And talk to fellow travelers. You'll find great tips and maybe even a new travel companion. Step 6. Making the most of every port. Arrive early, stay late if your itinerary allows, and soak in the atmosphere. Taste the local food, shop from local artisans, and ask questions. Every conversation with a local adds to your understanding of the place. And don't just take photos, write down your thoughts, draw sketches, or record voice notes. These small details will make your memories vivid years from now. Your first cruise can be more than a holiday. It can be a journey through centuries of culture and history. Choose the right ship, the right itinerary, and step ashore with curiosity. You'll come home with more than souvenirs. You'll return with stories worth telling. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more cultural cruise inspiration and let me know in the comments where your first cruise will take you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again as we keep exploring the world, one port at a time.